We're on site on the roof of the first ocean loft apartment that's been built at Kata.
We've topped out the end villa. This one we're about to pour the roof slab. The last one here will be probably complete within about a month or so.
We've basically done the phase 1 excavation. We're moving back through the project up to the entry area.
These first 4 buildings have gone up very quickly. We expect the communal pool, clubhouse to move ahead very quickly from now as well.
About 4 or 5 months from now you'll see that the second zone and the third zone will have started to come out of the ground.
Currently we're 4 months into an 18-month contract.
The images that we've got on our website and the videos don't really give across the actual scale of what's going on when you're here on the ground.
The total area is something like 8,500 square metres.
There's numerous teams. We've got team, which is the contractors team, the team here, head office, Kata, and we've got the team on site.
And we've hand-picked these people. John Vivian, David Frost, Apposite, all been hand-selected and come into the project, really to make it happen. I think every time you come to this site, you take a bit of a breath when you actually see the view. It's still a wow for me when I first see it again, when I first come on site.
Really exciting to be involved with a developer who really is trying to do something rather special here.
We know we have an excellent design. We have an excellent team of people both on the client side and our side. And the most enjoyable thing is that we're actually creating something which is going to be a very impressive final product.